Want your Samsung TV to automatically start with your Amazon Fire TV stick? Here's the quick fix. First, turn on your Samsung TV and press the Home button on your remote. Go to Settings. Then select All Settings. Now go to Advanced Features. Select Home Screen Options. Here, you'll see an option related to starting with Smart Hub. Turn off the first option for Smart Hub. This prevents the TV from opening directly to the Samsung Smart Hub when you turn it on. Now, make sure your TV is on the HDMI input where your Amazon Fire TV stick is connected. Turn the TV off and then turn it back on. Your Samsung TV should now start directly with the Fire TV stick instead of opening the Smart Hub. And that's it. This is a quick way to make your Fire TV stick the main screen when you turn on a compatible Samsung TV. Keep in mind that the exact menu names can vary depending on your Samsung TV model and software version. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.